Learn Hindi prepositions fast, with, near, to, from, in, and on in.
Hindi.
Welcome to Tiny Words with Big Drama. Hey, you're about to learn some very small Hindi words that cause very big grammar adventures. And yes, by the end, you'll be smarter than a confused GPS. Today you will learn these everyday English words in Hindi, with equals.
के साथ.
Near equals.
पास.
To equals.
को.
From equals.
से.
In equals.
में.
In equals.
एक.
And on equals.
पर.
These are the tiny building blocks that help you say real things instead of just pointing at objects like a dramatic mime. Meet the 7 suspects. Let's meet your new Hindi team one by one. Imagine them entering a room like celebrities on a very low-budget red carpet. First comes with.
के साथ.
If you go with your friend, you go.
के साथ.
2 people, 1 plan, 0 loneliness. Then near.
पास.
If the tea stall is near your house, it is.
पास.
Convenient and dangerous for your self-control. Now to.
को.
This little word often points toward a person or place. It's the sentence arrow. Tiny, but bossy. Next is from.
से.
If a gift is from a friend, it comes.
से.
That friend. It tells you where something starts. Then in.
में.
If the keys are in the bag, they are.
में.
The bag. Unless they are secretly in your other pocket. Now in.
एक.
In simple beginner Hindi.
एक.
Can help express one, a, or in. 1 mango. 1 problem. 1 glorious snack. Finally on.
पर.
If your phone is on the table, it is.
पर.
The table. If it is not there, check under your panic. A very serious tea adventure. Now let's put the words into a silly little story. Listen for the Hindi words and notice how natural they begin to feel. One morning, I went.
के साथ.
My friend to a chai stall.
पास.
My house. I gave.
एक.
Coin.
को.
The tea seller. The smell came.
से.
The kitchen and the hot tea was all ready.
में.
The cup. Then a biscuit landed heroically.
पर.
My saucer like it had trained for this moment its whole life. Congratulations, you just survived grammar with tea. Quick memory tricks. Let's make these words stick in your brain like a note on a fridge. Preferably not inside the fridge unless you're learning.
में.
Think of.
के साथ.
As side by side. You are with someone, walking the same path. Think of.
पास.
Like pass. Something passes close, so it is near. Think of.
को.
Like go. You go to a place. Tiny arrow, big direction. Think of.
से.
As source. Something starts from somewhere. Think of.
में.
As inside a container. In the bag, in the room, in the cup. Think of.
एक.
As one clear finger in the air. 1 item. 1 apple. 1 sandwich you plan to share but probably won't. Think of.
पर.
As perched on top. A book on a table. A cat on your laptop. A bird on your last nerve. Mini dialogues you can actually use. Time for real life style lines. Short, useful, and slightly less embarrassing than learning from a potato monologue. A. Are you coming alone? B. No, I am coming.
के साथ.
My brother. A. Is the shop far? B. No, it is.
पास.
A. Where are you going? B. I am going.
को.
The market. A. Where is this parcel from? B. It is Delhi.
से.
A. Where are the keys? B. They are.
में.
The bag. A. How many apples? B.
एक.
A. Where is the book? B. It is.
पर.
The table. Spot the difference. Some of these words are close neighbors, but they do different jobs. Let's stop them from borrowing each other's jackets. Compare in and on.
में.
Means in, inside something.
पर.
Means on the surface. Compare to and from.
को.
Often points toward.
से.
Points away from or marks origin. Compare with and near.
के साथ.
Means with, together with someone or something.
पास.
Means near, close by. Remember that.
एक.
Can mean one and can also help beginners express a or an in simple sentences. Repeat after me drill. Now say them out loud with confidence. Even if your cat judges your accent, keep going. With.
के साथ,
near,
पास,
to,
को,
from,
से,
in,
में,
an,
एक,
on.
पर,
One more round, faster.
के साथ, पास, को, से, में, एक, पर,
Tiny quiz, big ego. Let's see if your brain was paying attention or just thinking about snacks. No judgment, maybe a little judgment. How do you say with in Hindi?
के साथ,
How do you say near?
पास,
How do you say to?
को,
How do you say from?
से,
How do you say in?
में,
How do you say in simple beginner Hindi?
एक,
How do you say on?
पर,
Your challenge for today. Now it's your turn. You don't need perfection. You just need bravery and maybe one dramatic hand gesture. Make a sentence with.
के साथ,
For example, I went with my friend. Make a sentence with.
पास,
For example, the bank is near the station. Make a sentence with.
को,
For example, give this to me. Make a sentence with.
से,
For example, I am coming from school. Make a sentence with.
में,
For example, the milk is in the glass. Make a sentence with.
एक,
For example, she is an artist. Make a sentence with.
पर,
For example, the book is on the table. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a set of tiny Hindi words that do a huge amount of work in real sentences. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
के साथ, पास, को, से, में, एक,
And.
पर,
Out loud. Repeat them, use them in your own sentences, and don't worry about mistakes. That's how real learning happens. See you in the next chapter, and keep practicing your Hindi.